Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com. Hey, coming to another super cool product. This is from Vanco1.com. This is the Vanco 4K HDMI downscaler. This thing is pretty darn cool. Say you're running a facility, like usually probably a business, where you have like multiple screens running around your office or a bar or any sort of different application where sometimes you might have a 4K signal or 4K TV in your place or maybe your house, and then you have other places where you want to have a 1080p scale because those TVs won't go up to 4K, and you want to make sure that you can just disperse that signal, share it around, and be able to have a matrix unit sort of application where you can take care of everything at once and put on multiple displays with their 4K or 1080p resolution. This gives you the ability to do it. You order one of these babies up. It's really got a slim and low profile size for installing behind display locations. So if you need to mount them behind the TVs or whatever and route them around your facility or your home, you can do that as well. It gives you optical audio breakout for de-embedding audio as well, and basically will seamlessly downscale the 4K UHD signals you might have down to 1080p. Pretty darn cool in how it works and just makes everything work for you. It's got an EDID adjustment to encourage source and scalar compatibility, so you can customize it to work for whatever you're putting it on. And there you go. Comes with one of these downscalers, power supply, and a product manual. Pretty simple and easy to do. In our testing of this, that works perfectly. Takes the signal down and makes it so it'll appear on your 1080p TVs. I guess we still have some of those kicking around here, so it worked pretty well on them. Anyway, guys, you can check it out. Go to Vanco1.com and check out the 4K HDMI downscaler. This will help you with what you're trying to achieve with them, and all that good stuff. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.